Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am April Talia, a BPA 3 student from Camarines Norte State College. For today's vlog, this will be my last vlog for the midterm. And it is a special one because it is Teacher's Day. So my former classmates and I decided to make a surprise visit to our grade 12 advisor, which is si Ma'am Judy Lynn.
It's really been a while since the last time we saw her. Pero kahit busy na kami and may kanya-kanyang schedule, naglalaan pa rin kami ng oras para bisitahin si ma'am. Sakto rin kasi one course lang ang class ko kaninang umaga and online pa yon. Kaya sinulit ko tong opportunity na to para makasama itong mga dati kong classmates sa pag-visit kay Ma'am Judy.
So yun guys, andito na kami sa Vincent's Pilot High School. Pero unfortunately, wala si Ma'am Judy Lynn nung dumating kami. Kasi may urgent agenda siya kasama yung mga co-teachers niya. Kaya nag-decide kaming maghintay na lang.
By the way guys, 10 nga pala kaming magkakasama dito. Most of us are now studying here at Camarines Norte State College. While yung isa naman is taking a program in Mabini. Iba-iba na kami ng program and schedule. Kaya yung iba naming former classmates din na gustong sumama, hindi makasama kasi nga conflict sa schedule.
And by the way guys, start na nga rin pala ng bazaar dito. Wherein grade 12 student, strand from ABM and GAS is required na magtayo ng small business. It will run for about 2 to 3 weeks. Kaya habang naghihintay kami kay ma'am, nag-ikot-ikot na muna kami and nag-enjoy tumingin-tingin sa mga stores. Iba-iba yung ino-offer nila dito. Pwedeng pagkain, beverages, mga gamit, paintings, pictures, and marami pang iba.
So, eto guys, konting pictures lang sa mga nakuhaan ko nung Tuesday.
Every time we pay a visit dito sa Vincent's Pilot High School, I can't help but feel nostalgic. Sobrang bilis lang talaga ng panahon. I still remember my first day here as a grade 7 student. Mixed emotions pa ako noon. Excited at the same time, kinakabahan. And now, third year college na pala ako. Minsan naiisip ko, bakit parang sobrang bilis lalo ng oras? Parang dati lang masaya pa kami nagkukwentuhan dito ng mga kaibigan ko sa plaza while nakaupo lang and patawa-tawa. So, after a long wait, dumating na rin si Ma'am Judy Lynn. Kaso nga lang, around 5:25 PM na to. Kaya ang ginawa namin, konting kamustahan lang, bati, kasi kailangan din niyang umuwi. Pero syempre, every time kasi na nagvi-visit kami dito kay ma'am, hindi nawawala dito yung pa-cake. Kaya, eto, may dala kaming cake para sa kanya. After a few photos and short chikahan, tapos catch up sa buhay, hinatid na namin to si Ma'am Judy Lynn sa jeep terminal papuntang Taet. Kasi doon na siya nakatira. Dati kasi, may boarding house sila dito kasama yung mga anak niya.
So, for today's vlog, this simple visit reminded me how important it is to look back and appreciate the people who helped shape who we are today. Teachers don't just teach lessons inside the classroom. They also touch our lives in ways we only realize as we grow older. That's why, habang estudyante pa tayo, let's make time to thank and honor them. Because at the end of the day, knowledge fades, but kindness and inspiration from a good teacher will always stay with us. So, That's all guys for my last vlog in this midterm. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and may natutunan kayong lessons kahit papaano. Bye-bye!